students, this is the third part of the video for the topic cities in India and what they are famous for. In the last two videos we learned about Delhi and Mumbai, and today we are going to talk about the capital city of the Indian state of Karnataka and sometimes referred to as the Silicon Valley of India, that is Bangalore. So let's start.
Bangalore. Bangalore, officially known as Bangalore, is the capital of the Indian state of Karnataka. It has a population of over 10 million, making it a mega city and the third most populous city and fifth most popular urban agglomeration in India. It is located in southern India on the Deccan Plateau at a elevation of over 900 meter above sea level. Bangalore is sometimes referred to as the Silicon Valley of India or IT capital of India because of its role as the nation's leading information technology exporter. Indian Technological Organization, ISRO, Infosys, Wipro and HAL are headquartered in the city. Bangalore is the second fastest growing major metropolis in India. The IT capital of India. In the scenario of the Indian economy, Bangalore city plays an important role. It is said to be a Silicon Valley of India. Over 67,000 registered IT companies are there in Bangalore IT corridor, from which 12,000 companies are full-time working companies and remaining are shelf companies. HAL Airspace Museum. Bangalore has many museums, but this museum is the only one in India which traces the growth of aviation over time, using photographs and status displays as well as motorized cross sections of models of aero engines and their functions. Visit here for an opportunity to see the engines of aircraft. The next place is the sprawling Bangarata National Park. Spread over 25,000 acres, this park is a forest designated as a biological reserve and one of the biggest tourist attractions in Bangalore, where you can go on a 6-kilometer safari to look at tigers and lions in their natural habitat. The park has a sanctuary for elephants which roam freely without being chained. The park also has a zoo and a museum. The park is great for trekking and hiking and is also home for some Asian temples. Our next place is Bangalore Palace. An epitome of great architecture and beauty, the majestic Bangalore Palace preserved in it the spice of old regal opulence. Currently, the central attraction in Bangalore, the palace was built in the year 1878. A visit to the palace gives you a chance to witness the elegant and lavish splendor of one of the most powerful dynasties of South India. Our next place is the electric M. Chinnaswamy Stadium. One of the biggest cricket grounds in the country, Chinnaswamy Stadium is a place which must be visited by all those who love cricket, which is almost every Indian as per estimates. This stadium, which can hold 40,000 people at a time, is green as it uses the electricity generated by solar panels for its needs. The next famous place in Bangalore is Snow City. Snow City is Bangalore's first snow and ice park spread across 12,500 square feet. Enjoy eco-friendly snow while exploring its fantasy snow castle, the rocky snow mountain and several other fun activities like snow sliding and rafting. Don't miss out on the last 15 minutes with colorful disco lights and turned music on. Snow City also has a 9D theatre that screens short films in addition to interactive games. Our next famous place is ISKCON temples. Bangalore is home to one of the largest of the ISKCON temples in the world, to Sri Radha Krishna at Rajaji Nagar. ISKCON is a society for the promotion of Krishna consciousness across the world. The organization runs the Akshay Patra Foundation, which feeds the poor and needy. ISKCON has also built another temple to Sudarshana and Narasimha on the Kanakpura road in Bangalore. Now comes shopping at Brigade Road. Brigade Road is one of the biggest commercial centers and busiest shopping areas of Bangalore. It is also a connecting road between the MG Road and Residency Road and Museum Road in the city. It has many shopping centers and retail outlets of international brands. It also has been a New Year celebration hub in the city for many years. It has many shops, restaurants, pub and other happening places.
So children, today we learned about Bangalore and the famous places in Bangalore. With this, I end this topic. Hope you enjoyed all the 3 parts of the video. Thank you.